Amambaza amnyama ebambisene nenhlangano iNelson Mandela Foundation ukuhlonipha ubaba uNelson Mandela ngosuku lwakhe. Njengoba sekuvulwe izwe nje, abalandeli nabathandi bomculo wembube babuthana eJoburg Theatre babheme bakholwa ngomculo.
I'm pretty much excited about it. It is my first festival post-pandemic, and I feel good to be in a space.
I feel so honored because Ladysmith, Black Mambazo was my father's dream to watch them perform.
Amambaza bematasa ngesikhathi sokubheduka kwe-COVID-19 icija abaculi abasafufusa ngesikhungo sawo somculo iLadysmith Black Mambazo Music Academy. Mabili asevele ehlonziwe kanti asengaphansi kwekhwapha leMambazo ngomfumfu amambazo azoqala uhambo lomhlaba.
Tatu Madiba was a very big inspiration for Ladysmith Black Mambazo. He gave us the inspiration when we went to sing for him at his birthday in 1993, where he stood in front of us and told us that our music had been his inspiration while he was still in prison.
Lesi sikhungo seMambazo sesibe impumelelo ngenxa yokwesekwa ngabaxhasi balo.
This is a moment for South Africans to recover from that, and using sport, arts, as well as culture in general, it is the best way to heal and begin to rebuild the nation.
Leli iqembu laculela uMadiba okokuqala ngosuku lakhe lokuzalwa ngo-1993.
From the foundation's perspective, we're incredibly honored to have a performance like this, honoring our founder and our principal as well.
Amambazo asenxuse abantu ukuba benze okuhle egameni likaMadiba, hayi namuhla nje kuphela.